Good morning, everyone! Saan man kayo dako ng Pilipinas, good morning! This video I will share to you is how to become a PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Para di ka matawag na colorum agent or illegal real estate practitioner, paano ba magpa-accredit? Sa dinami-dami ng salesperson sa Pilipinas, mas marami pa yata ang hindi licensed kaysa sa mga registered. Samantala, ang advantage naman ng real estate salesperson ay wala na silang board examination. Ano nga ba mga qualifications and requirements ng isang real estate salesperson? Ang real estate salesperson o yung mga tinatawag din natin ng mga ahente is one of the real estate service practitioners. Kasama na rito ang real estate appraiser, real estate consultant, real estate assessor, and real estate broker. Other than the usual requirements or minor requirements, must be a Filipino citizen, 18 years old, must have a good moral character, and must not have been convicted of any crime. Meron naman tatlong major requirements para ma-accredit sa PRC ang mga real estate salesperson. Three major requirements for PRC accreditation of salesperson. Number 1, real estate salesperson must have at least 72 units in college or completed any 2-year course in college. Number 2, must have attended at least 12 units CPD or continuing professional development. Number 3, must look for a licensed real estate broker who can supervise him or her. Nakasaad kasi sa RESA Law, Real Estate Service Act or under Republic Act 9646 na ang real estate salesperson ay under the supervision of the real estate broker. PRC requirements for accreditation as real estate salesperson. 1. Application form. Makikita sa link na may name ng brokers sa application form and other details niya. Kaya dapat alam ng salesperson kung anong mga details ng real estate brokers niya. Original and photocopy of PSA birth certificate, original and photocopy of PSA marriage, if female only, original and notarized certificate of educational attainment on the completion of at least 2 years college, original NBI clearance, original and notarized certificate of 12 units on real estate brokerage. Ito yung inattended nyo na CPD, dapat ay notarized. Passport size and 1x1 ID photos. At ang dalawang kailangan para sa real estate salesperson, kailangan niya ng photocopy of a licensed real estate broker with 3 specimen signatures front and back. Declarations and undertaking duly accomplished by the real estate broker, any valid ID, government ID of the salesperson, and last, the processing fee. Ngayong alam niyo na kung paano magpa-accredit sa PRC, pwede ka nang pumunta at mag-apply. Pumunta sa PRC at magpa-accredit. Kung pasok naman kayo sa mga qualifications, ano pa ang dahilan para hindi ka magpa-registered? Bukod sa matutulungan kayo ng mga licensed real estate broker, magiging legal pa ang mga hanap buhay nyo. Ang real estate broker ay katulong nyo sa lahat ng real estate services at mag-aalalay sa inyo. This is Joy Sasil, Parag Member, Lucena City, Quezon Board Realty Inc. Thank you for watching and kindly support my vlog.